The Mercedes-Benz W246, also known as the B-Class from 2011 to 2018, features the Audio 20 CD system for radio functionality. This system allows manual tuning of radio frequencies, giving you direct control over station selection. Manual tuning means you select a specific frequency yourself, instead of relying on presets or automatic scanning. This method provides reliable radio access without needing digital integrations or smartphone connections. The Audio 20 system is the core of radio functionality in the W246 B-Class. It's a single DIN head unit featuring a physical rotary knob for tuning and dedicated buttons for different functions. To access the radio, simply press the radio button on the head unit. This activates the radio mode and prepares the system for frequency selection. Once in radio mode, choose between FM band covering 88 to 108 MHz for high-quality local stations, or AM band from 530 to 710 kHz for longer-range broadcasting. The screen displays the current frequency you're tuned to, along with signal strength bars to indicate reception quality. Use the rotary knob to scroll through frequencies incrementally. For FM, frequencies typically adjust in 0.1 MHz steps. Rotate the knob until you reach the desired station. Some units have a numeric keypad for direct frequency input. This method bypasses preset stations, giving precise control. Reception quality in your W246 depends on your location and the surrounding environment. Factors like buildings, terrain, and electrical interference can affect signal strength. The antenna is integrated into the rear window defroster, which means reception can be affected by window tinting or damage to the defroster lines. Signal strength is displayed as bars on the radio screen. More bars indicate stronger reception, while fewer bars suggest you may need to adjust your position or try a different frequency. FM radio provides higher sound quality but has a shorter range, typically line of sight. AM radio travels further but is more susceptible to interference and has lower audio quality. Manual tuning allows access to weak or niche stations that automated scanning might skip, providing precise control over frequency selection. It proves more reliable in areas with poor broadcast coverage, where automatic systems may struggle to find signals. Manual tuning requires no smartphone integration or digital services, ensuring basic functionality even without modern technology. This makes it a dependable option for all situations, from remote areas to emergency broadcasting. Radio reception can sometimes be affected by interference from electrical grids or other sources, causing static or poor signal quality. If you experience static, try manually tuning to a slightly different frequency to find a clearer signal. Ensure the rear window defroster, which serves as the antenna, is functioning correctly. Check for proper connections and functionality. Firmware updates accessed via the OBD2 port can improve radio performance and address interference issues. Refer to Service Bulletin SB 25-04, which specifically addresses radio interference issues in W46 models. Understanding wave interference patterns can help identify and resolve reception problems. While manual tuning remains reliable, the automotive audio landscape is rapidly shifting to digital systems. Digital radio, known as DAB, offers clearer sound and more stations compared to analog FM and AM. Smartphone integration is another popular alternative. Retrofitting systems like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto enables access to streaming services directly through your vehicle's display. Through these integrations, apps like TuneIn allow you to stream thousands of radio stations from around the world, offering more variety than traditional broadcasting. Overall, the automotive audio landscape is rapidly shifting toward digital and connected systems, providing clearer sound and greater convenience than manual analog tuning. Manual radio frequency tuning in your W246 remains a functional and reliable option. While digital alternatives offer enhanced features, understanding and utilizing manual tuning ensures access to radio in diverse conditions. Check your owner's manual or a certified mechanic for more detailed instructions.